Hi everyone for the third time. I just hope that Sapna is able to join right now. So I'm gonna do this one thing. I will see if I can send her request instead of accepting her request. Also, guys, repeating it for the fourth time, today's episode is very special because it's the Hadippa games, and we really shot with a lot of difficulties when we were actually shooting for these games. Hi, hello everyone. Hi. I hope you're all excited for today's episode. So let's just see. I'll just send Sapna a request. I think she'll be able to see it. Sapna, where are you? Na mere Oh, yeah. I have sent you a request. Let's see if you're able to join in now. Oh,
Finally!
oh. Oh my god. I thought
I
we would
lost
not
hope.
be able to see each other today.
I lost hope only. I was like, no, this is not happening. I don't know what was going on. मेरी किस्मत इतनी खराब हो गई पहले शो से क्लियर हो गई अब लाइव मेरी आप आ गई मैंने कहा तो हो क्या गया
नहीं तू कंप्लीट कर ले एक बार फिर मैं स्टार्ट करती हूँ तू बोल ले जितना रिकॉर्ड है अपना
नहीं आप मुझे एक
एड्रेनलिन
सेकंड
पुश को
मैं
निकाल
रिस्ट्रिक्ट
ले
तो नहीं हो गई रोडी साड़ी मना ही तो नहीं करने की नहीं तू रहने दे तू लाइव पे भी नहीं आएगी अब
But firstly, Sapna, you're looking very pretty. Getting ready for the live is something that people don't usually do. But today, it's like a miracle. Both of us have done it. So I'm really excited.
Hi,
Can you
I
hear me? Is
actually
my
like
connection fine?
yeah, I can hear you.
Perfect. Okay, so सपना आज एक बहुत ही बेहतरीन एपिसोड आने वाला है which is known as हड़प्पा गेम्स but unfortunately you won't be part of it. सबसे पहले तो I really want to know how was your roadies journey? कैसा लगा जितना भी टाइम तू रही? How was it and you know what was the best thing that you took out of the journey?
Okay, first off, let me say, Yukti, when you say that, ki, unfortunately, you are not going to be part of this, so, it really hurts, okay?
Okay.
Like I was
would say
watching the
that
trailer and I was like, I wish I was there as well. I wish I was riding the bike as well. But okay. So yeah, my journey was like really great. Like really great. मुझे लगता है कि जितने भी contestant थे सबसे ज़्यादा मजा तो शायद मैंने ही करा है because everybody was like too much into the task के games. I was like कि what is the point if you're not having fun, right?
Absolutely.
So yeah, I was all about it and I think I really enjoyed the time. हाँ बहुत कम time था मेरा. Like it really hurts again. I'm mentioning.
See, this time I didn't say it. This time you said it yourself.
ठीक है या बहुत छोटा था but वो छोटा time भी like it was fun like it was fun.
Fine, yeah, छोटा yet impactful. However,
exactly.
That's important. Okay, so Sapna, also Roadies has started. I want you to just watch the episode as well with me. I don't know if you've already watched it yesterday.
Let me just judge people. Let me just judge.
Okay. I suppose there are a couple of favorites. I'll just zoom to your favorites. Is that your favorite?
I want to see her. I really don't want to see.
Oh my god. Okay, let's see.
Like
this
someone
is
is
he's
commenting
your
एकदम
favorite.
से वक्त
Oh,
बदल गया.
Sapna's already here. I can see Sapna.
हाय वक्त बदल गया जज्बात बदल गए हालात बदल गए मेरे तो दोस्त ही बदल गए
But you look very pretty, huh? Just by the way.
I look
ऐसे
so
जा रही
sad
है,
in the deep. It was like my heart breaking at that time.
Mute कर. Okay, so first thing I want to know, Varun Sood has replaced Raftar as the leader, and that happened on, I think, after your elimination. कितना दुख लग रहा है या कितनी
It was no.
what is the feeling regarding it?
It was like Raftar sir left the show. He was like, "Sabna's not there. I'm not stay."
So it was technically because of you that Raftar's like सपना गई मैं भी जा रहा है.
This is how I console myself, Yukti. This is how I console myself.
But no,
Exactly.
but really, like, I was really shocked because technically I was watching everything from behind the scenes, but I also didn't know that Nisha voted against you. So that was like the biggest shocker of all time. Why do you think that happened?
You know what happened? Even after like the vote outs, I was always like, ki just wish the best to my team, like to Akash, Nisha, Taran, Abhimanyu and Srishti. They were like my people, right? मैं एंड तक उनको कर रही थी कि नहीं मेरी टीम के साथ मुझे आगे बढ़ना है, ठीक है, क्योंकि अगर पुणे वाले थे गैंग अप है तो हम लोग भी साथ में ही आगे बढ़ेंगे, ठीक है. बट आई डोंट नो, इनफैक्ट पिछले वोट आउट में हामिद वोटेड अगेंस्ट निशा. निशा को
Yeah.
वो बीटे नहीं लगा, वो बीटे नहीं
Exactly.
लगा, बट वो बीटे लगा.
I think it was more like you actually didn't do a lot of things, but मतलब क्योंकि तू बोल देती थी ना, बाकी सब बोलते नहीं थे, तो मतलब people used to think कि इसने तो भाई हमारे against planning किया, जबकि whatever we saw and from the point of view that we were watching it as well, it didn't feel like technically like you did anything wrong.
Actually, no, let me also clarify the thing. जो हामिद, मेरे साथ क्या हो रहा था, मेरे साथ एक तो ना सब सिचुएशन गेम खेलते जो हम स्कूल में खेलते थे, ट्रूथ एंड डेयर सिचुएशन. अगर हमने ऐसे किया तो हम क्या करेंगे, अगर तुमने ऐसे किया तो तुम क्या करोगे. आई वाज लाइक एक सेकेंड, यहाँ पे जो बोल रहे हैं उनको वो बोल देती हूँ, अगर बच गई तो उनको क्या पता. दैट इज इट ना हमें. तो जब हामिद आस्क्ड मी तो आई वाज लाइक एक सेकेंड, पहली बात तो तू अपने ही लोगों का सगा नहीं है, ठीक है, तो तू मेरा कहाँ ही होगा, तो why would I even be like on your side? But yeah, because for the sake of saying it, I have to say it. It doesn't mean कि I'm gonna, मैं अपने दोस्तों को बेच दूंगी. No, it is not going to happen. That's exactly not what I do. In fact, मैंने
Survival. It's just survival.
मैंने आके निशा और आकाश को बताया कि मैंने आके ऐसे बोल दिया है और तुम लोगों को भी ऐसे ही बोला है, so that they think that you are on their side, but this should not be it. But मुझे लगता है निशा ने सेकंड पार्ट सुना नहीं, उसने समझा कि
अपेरेंटली जब ये पूरी बात हुई जिसमें हामिद ने तुझसे पूछा था आई गेस कि इफ यू गेट एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टुमारो टू सेव योरसेल्फ और टू सेव निशा एंड यू सेड ऑब्वियसली आई वांट टू गो अहेड इन द गेम. आई नो दैट यू डिडंट से कि मैं निशा को निकालूंगी, बट यू केप्ट योरसेल्फ देयर. तो डिड यू गो टू निशा एंड टेल हर समथिंग लाइक दिस कि ऐसे ऐसे सीन है?
I told her कि listen, Hamid is actually being ridiculous right now. Don't forget that he ditched you. अभी वो मेरे साथ सिचुएशन खेल के गया है गेम, ठीक है, और उसके अंदर मैंने उसको वही बोला है जो उसे सुनना था, ठीक है. इट्स नॉट लाइक कि वी आर नॉट इन द सेम साइड ऑफ द टीम, हम लोग इकट्ठे ही हैं, बट यू ऑल्सो अंडरस्टैंड दिस. तो आई कुड समवेयर मैंने लास्ट में उसका नहीं बोला था ना, आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर माई वॉइस वॉज ब्रेक, आई वाज लाइक निशा, ठीक है, बिकॉज मुझे कहीं ना कहीं था कि क्या ही मैनिपुलेट हो तो नहीं गई सच में, but then she actually got manipulated because इस तरीके से वो आकाश से लड़ने लग गई थी. That was like, what? Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this?
That is very odd also. See, I'll just show you, I'll just show you something in the middle.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I'm being so rude right now, but see, look at the journey, it's so pretty.
I don't know what are you talking about.
इसको देख लो एक बार जरा ना.
यार
वो यादें थी जो हम बनाना चाहते थे. अरे
यही दिन तो बाद में याद आएंगे.
Okay, so Sapna, now let's do like a quick rapid fire. Okay, now that you're out of the show, but
Yukti, why do you do this to me? Because मेरे साथ मुंह फाड़ went with me only, ठीक है. Everybody, मैंने आकर देखा कि एक सेकंड, everybody is playing diplomatic. नहीं वो तो हाँ नहीं हाँ ठीक है, and मैं लगातार हाँ ये हाँ okay, and उसके चक्कर में मैं
but I think it really doesn't matter because I think you were one of the people who was actually real on the show, and that's gonna take you so ahead, not just here in Roadies but in life as well. So I think you don't need to think twice about what you did or did not do wrong. Second,
at least one thing I'm proud about is कि मैं जाके बोल सकती हूँ कि yes, I played short but I played very honestly. So
I remember us jamming on Haryanvi songs and what not, man. The fun actually ended after you went. Like I also used to go there. I was like, "ठीक है, boring people."
Is everyone listening? Is everyone listening to this?
Okay, So now let's just do this rapid fire, okay? Because I have Kakoli also, and then all of us have to watch the show. So, who do you think is one leader who deserves to win it?
I think Prince, sir, the way he's playing, and seriously, जिस दिन मैं रफ्तार सर के साथ करी थी, I was like कि मुझे entertainment task perform रफ्तार सर के साथ करना, but I was like जैसे सब Prince sir के साथ ही कर लेती, बच जाती क्या पता.
Okay. Okay, one person you think clearly does not deserve to be on the journey right now.
I'll say
Apurva, right?
मुझे नहीं लगता कि उसने टास्क परफॉर्मेंस में भी कुछ मुझसे ज्यादा अनयूजुअल किया है, ठीक है. एंड व्हाट मेरे को लगता है उसका रोडीज का कॉन्सेप्ट वाज वेरी सिंपल कि फूड डालो, लाइक डिवाइड एंड रूल, जस्ट लाइक इंडिया में हुआ. दैट्स एग्जैक्टली व्हाट शी डज. आई डोंट थिंक सो कि रोडीज इज ऑल अबाउट जस्ट प्लेइंग माइंड गेम्स. तो नाम शायद अलग हो जाता ना शो का. इट वुड नॉट हैव. आई डोंट फील लाइक दैट शी हैज एनी quality like that.
But don't you think Apurva comparatively was still like on the face, and she came out and said that she's going to vote against you? But Pratibha, like on the other hand,
मुझे बुरा लगा था विपिन का बहुत, because विपिन was like, what? Vipin, seriously? Even when I went to pitch to him, he was like, Sapna, तुझे बोलने की भी जरूरत नहीं है. And फिर जब मैं वापस आई, मैं कहा विपिन तुझे भी बोलने की जरूरत नहीं. देख लिया मैंने. Like, what was that? I really felt very betrayed in like a lot of ways, because मैंने उन लोगों के साथ, there were times जब हम लोग task करके आ रहे होते थे, and everybody used to feel homesick, and they used to cry as well. I used to be the only one who used to console them. उनके खुद के friends भी used to give no fucks at all. Okay. So I used to feel कि I just want everybody to feel at home and not to feel like they are somewhere else. And even after that, कि सपना यार तो सबसे अच्छे. Okay, go. And I didn't get it.
This was
One
really
thing
bad.
I did not get it. Yukti, why was Sanjay crying? Why was Sanjay crying?
You just said Sanjay and he's on TV. That's like some coincidence.
Oh God. अच्छा सृष्टि बोल रही है, इसी को लगा के रखो और सब बकवास ही करते हैं.
मैं तभी मेरे का इस सृष्टि को लगा के रखो. Okay, so if not you, like you remember everybody who was non-immune that day. So if not you, who do you think should have been like voted out with Kakul?
Hamid.
Hamid. Okay. And
He doesn't
Hamid
do
guy?
anything anyways.
Okay. That's right. Okay, so one roadie that you're counting on, except for Akash. Like we all saw that
You took my answer.
We know that.
You just took
We
my
already know
answer.
that Akash is definitely one of those people that you're counting on. Except for him, is there someone
Abhimanyu.
else also that you?
Abhimanyu. Definitely. First is Akash, second is Manu for sure, like without any doubt at all. And third would be Sai.
That's from my side also. Okay, just keeping it out. The second option is my first option, but whatever.
Yeah.
So continuing this, what do you think about Neha ma'am and her performance throughout? Because I think she has just come out as someone really strong on the show so far.
You know what? Trust me on one thing. I think अगर मेरा किसी leader से सबसे ज़्यादा connection हुआ है, I feel that it was Neha ma'am. Like like everybody was very scared of her because she says very brutal things about everything. Because she's honest, and people don't like it. So one thing she always used to say to me, even after like behind the cameras, she was like, why do I like you? You don't give a shit like when you speak. And I was like, thanks.
Wow.
Yeah, so that's why she used to like me, and I really felt like she used to say, she says things what she feels. Okay, she doesn't care what everybody else is going to think about, and I think that's a great thing about her. I learned a lot from her. Like even if you are like losing, get it going. Okay, like get it going. Because unki team में entertainment task में Pratibha ditched. Okay, and Vipin and Hamid and Aman were there. Even then, dude, she kind of nailed her performance, even without like minimum team members. She was brilliant.
See, I'll just show you your second location. It was really beautiful. We went here. It was really beautiful. Okay, I just said
I
that.
used to read this. I used to read this every morning. Look at her, how happy she is. And look at
She
Sanjay
is.
as well. Look at Sanjay as well. Like, you think of what? Why not looking at Sanjay?
You know, Sapna, I swear to God, I can talk to you the whole show. I swear, if you would have been the only person eliminated, मैं पूरा 7-8 बजे तक बैठी रहती. But we also have Kakoli in line with us. So, is there something in the end that you want to say to your viewers, because people loved you? I have seen people actually, you know, put up messages and say that she shouldn't have gone so far, so soon, and I believe that too. So, is there anything you want to tell them or say out loud?
I just want to say that I obviously I love them. मैंने भी expect नहीं करा था है ना that they're gonna love me so much and they're gonna actually fight, like, you know, defend me. You know, they've been saying that, you know, Nisha cheated and Apurva did that, and she was like sometimes the hero, yeah. So they made me like really feel special about it, and I'm really happy about one thing, that okay, my journey might be short, but it's actually more meaningful and it was more lovely than the people who are like right now on the show. So in the end, that's exactly what matters. So bitches, your game is on you.
But to be very honest, frankly, I also loved you on the show and you were a delight to watch. So, thank you so much for being on this season of Roadies, and you were truly the light of Roadies this year. Just stay happy, and I hope all the success comes your way. So, now I'm going to take Kakoli, and goodbye, Sapna. Let's watch the episode.
Bye bye.